Hey, good morning everybody. Time is now 2:02. I'm at the Bonesville grade / Bonesville. Well, this is Bonesville station. And here comes Q216. Alright, so right now there is a westbound coming, but I don't know where he is. Right now. So also, sometimes if you hear me saying you come up to Bonesville grade, well, this is it. Also, there's a N770 coming. I think I might make it to Point of Rocks. I'm not sure about that one. So he's struggling a bit. Now I know why sometimes these guys take a long time to get this bug. Well, this is why. And he's less than 500 axles. And this is a Q216-01. Oh yeah, I can hear the wheel slips. I'm making pouring sand down to help them get some extra grip.
Q216-01 is 346, 652, Fair Barnesville.
I'm gonna wait for the DD go off. Cause there's a defect detector over here. 33.1. Speaking of 33.1 defect detector, if you guys wondering where it is, it's like literally right behind me. Literally. I hope I can make it to Point of Rocks for this one westbound. But depends where he is. I know I'm not gonna make it to Point of Rocks to catch this guy, cause he already passed it. So why not? Let me come here, and I made it here just in time. Alright, let me put my lights on. I don't know if that's going to help or not. I don't know. Also, at the same time, get myself ready to hook and book to Point of Rocks. I hope you guys can see okay. Let me know. It is a little after 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh, that's no one gonna pay you for watching out the window. Good again. That's sweet. Alright, let me put my unless cars should be coming up. Question is when. See, I don't have enough light to see all the way down there, so I don't know where the last call is. Alright, so right now the westbound is still falling out because that signal hasn't lit up yet. So I'm not too sure where he is. Also, I don't know if I may or may not catch in time for the loader Autorack because he's still around. Well, he's already past then, so. Who the hell is that? Sometimes these radios are bad. Half the time I can't hear them. Yeah, it's all good. There we go. It's going faster now. Half his train is already moved it up, so now he can move faster. But at the same time, since he crested, so that means you gotta be real careful. These 18-inch compressors know. But since some of you guys don't know, by half between he's still pulling up, the other half is going down. Is a delicate thing. I think I'm lost. So you want to break the knuckles. And 3.1 is just about right there. Alright, I'm gonna wait for it that goes off and then head up. Hope I can make it in time. I think it's turned off. Duffields, okay.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 3.1. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 476. End of transmission.
Alright, see you guys in the next one.